Hello everyone, today Dad and me are going to make a backpack. Let's start. In the middle of your paper, kind of at the top, make a line. And then make a U to the line. And then from there, do sort of a thing like that. And then make a square, 2 squares. Like this. Yeah. And then now, make 2 lines. Oopsies, I think mine's a little bit longer, but it looks better. Now, make another line. And then down, make sort of a box or something like that. And then another box on the other side. And then make a line like that. And then on the other side, also do the same thing. Next, make a U. And then another U. And then like this, make a U shape. And then connect it. And then like this, make another one. And then make a swirl like this. And another swirl like this. And then make a line. And then make a rectangle. Haha, do you know what that says? It says my brother's name, Ayush. I want to write my name. I'm going to try to make it like my dad's. I'm trying. I don't it's not being well. There, I tried. It doesn't look very good. It's the time for my best time. It's time to color. Let's start. Actually, I'm not going to color yet. Yeah, I decorated mine. Here's the pocket. That's the bottle. Okay, I'm now starting to color. Do you have like a water bottle? If you do, can you tell me what color it is? That's a good color. Mine is blue. Blue. What's the best part of drawing? What's the best part of your drawing? There. I need to color in one more part, and then I'm done. There. Do you have a school backpack? My brother also has a school backpack. He used it when he went to daycare. I think my dad's bottle is red. I'm just kidding. My dad doesn't have a bottle. I also use my backpack when I go on trips. Once I went to a cabin, I used my backpack. Backpacks are used for many times. Like when I went on a trip and I actually went in a cabin with my friend and I took my backpack. My brother has a Batman backpack. I have a bunny backpack. Okay, we're done coloring and bye!